To the humans. We're the parrots, the birds of the skies. Everyone gets amazed when one of us flies. We are very flashy, noisy, and speedy. When it comes to flashy coats, you get greedy. You cut down trees, our world, our home. We have only one habitat, we have only one home. Like that, you want to make the world so hot that only you live. We burn in a hot pot. We don't get clean water to drink. The river's full of trash. Your radioactive stuff in rivers will burn us down to ash. What should we feed our chicks if all the food is gone? Don't mind if we have to pick nuts up from your lawn. You take care of pigeons and doves, and not for what most of the kids love. You are being so unfair, we say to you. The reason for our extinction will be you. We don't get the sunny fresh air when it is our perfect age. We don't get the food we need, all when you trap us in a cage. We're the parrots, the birds of the skies. Be careful with us, we are very wise. Protect our land, world, and home. Please give us enough space to roam. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.